This is Doction, a locker where you can submit or receive physical documents. Let's say you are a student who needs to submit a document to your professor. Here's what you need to do. Enter your CVSU email address to receive a one-time passcode. And verify your identity as the sender. Fill out the submission form with your recipient's email address, the locker number, and a brief note. Once the details are submitted, you can store your document in the assigned locker, indicated by a blinking LED. The LED will remain on, indicating a successful submission. You'll receive a confirmation while the recipient will be notified for retrieval. To submit another document, simply repeat the process. You may also use the side icons, which autofill your recipient's details once recognized by the system. In this case, if it's the same recipient in the same locker, you'll only need to insert your document. Now, let's move on to your professor's perspective, the reception. Your professor will receive a notification that includes your information and an OTP to unlock the locker. Once the details are entered, your professor can retrieve the document. The LED will turn off and the locker will be available for the next submission. You'll also be notified that the document has been retrieved. That completes the submission and reception process. Now, let's explore the other parts of the system. The Terms and Conditions section outlines user responsibilities and other system information. The admin panel is accessible only to the admin and requires PIN. Here, the admin can do the following. First, add listed recipients, usually professors, add new lockers to expand the system, check activity logs for security purposes, and set a new admin using a new email and PIN. The locker is made of wood structure with acrylic doors and comes with wheels for easy installation anywhere. Side doors can also be unlocked to modify, maintain, or upgrade the system. That concludes our system demonstration. Thank you for watching.